This is Coffee Break with Val Feeney.
Hi everybody, this is Valentine Feeney from Gordon Atlantic Insurance, and welcome to another episode of Coffee Break. My guest today is Jason Chamsarian from ARS Rescon, Restoration and Construction. Hey, what's up, Jason?
Not too much, Val. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks. Why don't you tell us what your firm does?
Well, ARS Rescon, Restoration and Construction is a full-service restoration company, handling anything to do with fire, flood, smoke, mold to your property. And we also handle biotrauma as well.
Oh, great. So what are you guys seeing out there right now?
Well, typically this time of year, we'd be responding to your normal fire, your normal pipe break, but it's been a huge demand on disinfecting and sanitizing for the coronavirus.
Yeah, so companies, corporate office buildings, small businesses, when they're trying to reopen and bring their employees back, they're calling a company like yours to do the cleaning.
Absolutely. And we're also getting the calls, senior care facilities, hospitality. Some of these places actually have had a positive case there, and then we can come in and, again, disinfect and sanitize and make sure it's safe for everyone to get back to work.
Gotcha. Would you say are more clients calling after they get a positive test case, or are they calling more to be proactive to open the office?
I'd say it's pretty 50-50. It's pretty split down the middle.
Gotcha. Very interesting. Obviously a very needed service this time for employees to feel safe and employers to feel like they're doing the proper things to make their employees safe to come back to the office. So,
absolutely.
On a personal note, what are you looking forward to the most when this is all over?
Well, Val, this is not my style. I'm not an inside guy. So just going to a ball game, meeting a client for lunch and networking events, getting my kids out of the yard. I mean, I want to see them play with some other kids. It's the typical social stuff that we've lost these last 10 weeks.
Well, Jason, thanks for joining us so much. Once again, this is Jason Chamsarian from ARS Rescon, Restoration and Construction. We use them for a lot of our clients. I am Valentine Feeney from Gordon Atlantic Insurance. We make insurance make sense. Jason, thanks for joining us.
Val, thanks for having me.
And everyone, we'll catch you on the next episode. Thank you.